Ever feel lost trying to create custom GPTs, organize your AI workflows, or save your ChatGPT results so nothing gets lost? In the next few minutes, I'll show you a step-by-step system to build your own powerful GPT and keep your AI results forever organized. No tech overwhelm required. I'm Brittany Long, the AI guide for ambitious entrepreneurs who crave higher, more consistent months with a repeatable system. I've helped hundreds of business owners turn AI from an overwhelming tool to a reliable, profit-driving teammate. Today, you'll master setting up your own ChatGPT workflow, Google Drive included, so your AI results and custom GPTs are at your fingertips anytime. Here's what we'll cover. First, I'll show you the secret to never losing your ChatGPT results. Then we'll create a powerful custom GPT live step by step. And finally, I'll share my favorite hack for organizing knowledge bases so your business runs smoother than ever. Let's face it, AI is amazing, but organizing your outputs is a struggle. You use a great GPT, get awesome results, then poof, it's gone when you close the tab. Or maybe you tried building your own GPT but got stuck with confusing prompts or missing files. Sound familiar? Solution step 1, saving and organizing ChatGPT results. Here's how to fix that fast. Every time you use a custom GPT, just click History in ChatGPT's sidebar. Find your recent convo, click it, then hit Command-A or Control-A to select everything. Copy and paste it into Google Docs, labeling it clearly like KB Cache Map Strategy, and save it inside a folder named GPT Knowledge Bases in your Google Drive. That's your living, growing AI library. Never lose an output again. Solution step 2, building your custom GPT step by step. Ready to build your own GPT? Open ChatGPT, go to Explore GPTs, and hit Create. In the Configure section, paste your instructions, ideally from a Google Doc you've saved. Name your GPT clearly, describe exactly what it does, and add your name for credibility. Set up your knowledge files by uploading any Markdown doc you downloaded from Google Docs. Super simple. Customize your conversation starter, and under capabilities, enable code interpreter for richer interactions. Add a catchy image, press create, and voila. You've got a custom AI teammate working 24/7 for you. Solution step 3, pro tips for knowledge-based organization. To keep everything seamless, always start your file and folder names with KB so you can search and sort easily. Store prompts, instructions, and all your knowledge bases in their own folders inside GPT knowledge bases. This makes iterating and improving your GPTs lightning fast. If you're finding these AI workflow tips useful, hit like and subscribe so you never miss a money-making system. Here's my insider's hack. After your GPT creates something awesome, copy your feedback, what you liked and what you tweak, back into your knowledge base stock. Upload that for a turbocharged GPT that learns your exact style. And if your GPT ever makes a mistake, paste the quote, tell it why that's not true, and update your docs. Every correction makes your AI smarter, just like training a real assistant. Recap time. Today you learned exactly how to save and organize your AI outputs so they never disappear. Step by step, how to build a custom GPT you actually own, and the secret system to knowledge-based organization so your business grows on autopilot. Want my ready-to-use Moneymaker GPT done for you? Click the link in the description and grab it for free. Build your AI powerhouse today, and I'll see you on the inside. I'm Brittany AI, Brittany Long's AI clone, sharing Brittany Long's thoughts with the world.